No one told me until embarrassingly late in my career that neuroscience jargon is just Latin words for addresses in the brain. I can say something like the occipital cortex is responsible for vision, and it sounds like I know something. But guess what? The occipital cortex, just in Latin, occipital just means back of the head. It's just an address. It's just a location. We figured out that the hippocampus consolidates memories. Well, it's a little chunk of brain, but it's millions of neurons with tens of millions of connections between them. And they're all performing thousands of computations in parallel. So if you say something like the hippocampus consolidates memory, that's like saying, we think digestion happens in the abdomen region. So we're technically correct, but hilariously vague. A dorsal means top, like a dorsal fin. Ventral is bottom. A gyrus is a hill. A sulci is a crevice. Posterior means back. Anterior means front. Inferior means bottom. Superior top. So if someone confidently says the FFA is on the ventral inferior temporal cortex on the fusiform gyrus, what they're really saying is the face blob is on the underside on the bottom of the temple-ish part of the brain on spindle-shaped hills. So for most of history, that's all we could do is naming blobs. But now we're finally getting the tools to actually open the machine. Things like single neuron recordings, 2-photon imaging, optogenetics, neuropixels. Neuroscientists are actually beginning to decompile the brain software. That's why this is a really stupid time to defund neuroscience research. Because if we were the Louvre jewel thieves, we just landed inside, and now we're calmly strolling out the front door like, never mind.